Good morning. Well, on today, I'm making another checkbook cover, and I'm doing this card basket weave. I've seen a bunch of them online, and I decided I'd try it. And I think it looks really nice, so that's what we're going to do today. I'm not going to show the sewing and the gluing and all that. I'm just going to carve it. And I got another video where I did a checkbook, and if you want to see all that, you can go watch that video. But let me turn you around here and we'll get at it. Alright, when I start beveling this thing, it don't matter where you start, but you'll start on one side and then you bevel on the other side, back and forth, all the way up, and we'll get there. Now what we want to do is this one is beveled on the inside. We'll bevel this line on the inside. That one's beveled on the outside, so we'll bevel this one on the outside. Well, let's take this square. This square, they're beveled on the inside right here. So this line and this line will have to be beveled on the outside, just opposite of what it is. Now I gotta bevel the outside edges, so I'm gonna turn the fan on, because I'm about to burn up, and then I'll be right back. We got the beveling done, so now what we're gonna do we're going to take its thumbprint and just go right along those bevels and put a little shading in there. And keep it kind of parallel with the line there when you're going across. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up and stain it and put it together and everything, and when I get done I'll come back and show you what it looks like. And like I say, if you want to see me putting one together, you can go watch my other video on checkbooks. I'll be back when I get done with it. Well, I got them all done, and that's what it turned out looking like. And while I was at it, I went ahead and I put a stamp on the back. There's the inside. And then I did this one with a different color thread. And then I left this one natural color. So if you want to see how I put this together, I got that other video. Y'all can go watch that, and probably stick it up here at the end there so you can click on it. But that's all of that one. So I thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.